Product Management Simplified Toolkit to Become a Project Manager by Gurucharan Raghunathan and Lokesh Kannai is a comprehensive guide for aspiring product managers, focusing on the essential tools, strategies, and techniques to succeed in the field. The book covers everything from understanding the product life cycle to build effective product roadmaps and handling stakeholders management. It emphasizes the importance of customer centricity, cross-functional collaboration, and data-driven decision making. The authors provide practical insights that can be immediately applied to real-world product management scenarios. Hello, future product managers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a must-read book for anyone looking to get into the world of product management. Product Management Simplified Toolkit to Become a PM by Gurucharan Raghunathan and Lokesh Kannai. If you've ever wondered what it takes to be a successful product manager, this book has the answers. It is packed with practical tools and frameworks that will help you to navigate the challenges of product management from ideation to launch. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to effective product management, stay tuned as we break down the key insights from this incredible book. Let's get started. First up, one of the core principles in product management simplified is understanding the product lifecycle. Raghunathan and Kanayan emphasize that as a product manager, it is essential to be aware of each phase of the life cycle, from the initial idea to product development and all the way to scaling or retiring the product. This life cycle framework allows you to identify key milestones, prioritize tasks, and align your team's efforts throughout the journey. Whether you are launching a new feature or planning a full product overhaul, understanding the life cycle helps you make better data driven decisions. Next, let's talk strategy. Author states the importance of developing a solid product strategy, which is crucial for guiding the direction of your product. They recommend focusing on three main elements: customer needs, business goals, and competitive analysis. A great product strategy aligns your product with the needs of your target customers while ensuring that it delivers value to the business. It also involves staying ahead of the competition by identifying opportunities in the market that others may have missed. The key takeaway here is that a product strategy is not just about building cool features, it is about solving real customer problems while driving business growth. One of the biggest challenges for product managers is deciding which features to prioritize. Author shares an incredibly useful framework for feature prioritization called the impact versus effort matrix. This tool helps you evaluate each feature based on its potential impact and the effort required to implement it. By categorizing features into four quadrants: high impact, low effort, high impact, high effort, low impact, low effort, and low impact, high effort, you can make more informed decisions about where to invest your resources. The goal: focus on high impact, low effort features that bring the most value to your users and business. In today's world, data is king, and this is a core theme in product management simplified. Author emphasizes that product managers need to be data driven in their decision making. This means relying on customer data, market trends, and performance metrics to guide product decisions rather than just intuition or assumption. The authors introduce several key tools for data analysis, including A/B testing, user feedback surveys, and analytics platforms. These tools allow you to measure the success of features, understand customer pain points, and continuously improve your product. The takeaway here, use data to validate your decisions and constantly iterate to create the best product possible. Another critical lesson from Product Management Simplified is the importance of cross-functional collaboration. Product managers work closely with teams across the organization, engineering, marketing, sales, and customer support. Raghunathan and Kannan emphasize that building strong relationship with these teams is crucial for successful product development. As a PM, you will need to communicate effectively, manage expectations, and ensure alignment between different teams. Collaboration also extends to stakeholders, ensuring that their needs are understood and incorporated into the product roadmap. One of the most important tools in a product manager's toolkit is a product roadmap. The roadmap is a strategic document that outlines the vision, goals, and timeline for a product. It is essential for aligning the team and stakeholders and for tracking progresses. Author recommend keeping your roadmap flexible as product needs and priorities can change over time. However, it is important to ensure that the roadmap aligns with the company's overall strategy and customer needs. So, to wrap up, here are the key insights from Product Management Simplified Toolkit to become a PA. First, understand and manage the entire product lifecycle. Second, develop a solid product strategy based on customer needs, business goals, and competition. Third, use prioritization frameworks like the impact versus effort matrix to make smart decisions. Fourth, be data driven in your decision making to optimize product success. Fifth, foster cross functional collaboration to ensure alignment across teams. Last, keep your product roadmap flexible and aligned with strategy goals. If you are ready to take your product management skills to the next level, this book is your ultimate guide. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to become a product management pro. And tell me in the comments what is one product management challenge you have faced and how did you overcome it? Let's learn from each other. Until next time, happy managing.